From Hollywood icons to world class athletes, from music to royal families, they all have one thing in common. They can't seem to stay away from Jamaica. The question is why? What makes this small island in the Caribbean so irresistible to the biggest stars on the planet? Stay tuned because today we are diving deep into the magic, mystery, and magnetism of the island that captures hearts worldwide, Jamaica. But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss another story that celebrates Jamaica and its global influence.
Why would I want to go Jamaica? Why would I want to go home? Look what I'm walking. Look at this. Why would I want to leave you? Jamaica, look. You might take 6 months out of my life because you look so good, Jamaica. Why would I leave you? What we got is, look, what we got is just so beautiful. You compliment me, Jamaica. I can't leave you. I gotta figure out the rest of my life. I can't leave you, Jamaica. This is a...
So what is your favorite thing about Jamaica, and what's your favorite thing about being Jamaican?
My favorite thing about Jamaica is the culture, and my favorite thing about being Jamaican is the food.
You know, I've actually been to Jamaica before, and Jamaica's very beautiful, and I had a great experience there with my siblings.
What about the food?
Okay, you didn't let me finish. Just gotta say, the food is also fire. The food is fire over there.
Yeah, I know it. I know it. It was nice meeting you, Jazzy.
I've never loved, and I don't know how to explain it. I'm sorry, but I just don't know how to explain it. But there's just, you guys, like, I love Trinidad. I'm not gonna lie to you. I love St. Vincent. But Jamaica has a different kind of vibe. It's like you cannot be lonely in Jamaica. You cannot be sad. You cannot be, it's just different. It's just different, guys. And I know I see, and I'm sorry, I don't want nobody to say, Roy, you this to other country, and Roy, you this to other countries. I don't want nobody to say that, but I'm being real. I'm being real. It's just, when they say Jamaica, is trust me, yeah. You guys don't even know what islands you have here. It's an amazing country, man.
Went to Jamaica.
How was that?
It was, guys, Jamaica's so beautiful. It was my first time there, and I was making more music, and then we were listening back to Jump, and I was like, hey, like these vibes, like we need like a Jamaican vibe on this one, and we hit up Skilly Bang, came back with something that I couldn't not add, you know, like original girl, they want a replica.
Babe,
no.
babe,
like
pretty on the cellular. I said, what?
Island Dave here, huh? Island Dave on an island. Hey, lower the volume, man. Lower the volume, man. Why gone, girl? Why gone, pretty girl? Huh? Why you gone? Big up yourself, girl. Yes. Go get you some steamed fish and okra. Yes. Some steamed fish and okra, girl. Why gone, pretty girl? Huh?
Obviously, Jamaica is such a small nation, but it's made such a massive impact on the world, from Bob Marley to food to culture. Why do you think that is?
If we want to go into history, I think we just come from a rebellious people, in the sense that you can't force us to do anything. But if it's something that we want to do, that same energy and rebellious nature, it will be powered and pushed into something creativity. Music is about a beat, it's a rhythm. And the rhythm of being Jamaican is all about just pushing yourself forward. And no matter where you come from, no matter the hardships you come from, just striving forward and making the best of it.
We got a lot of love from Africa, and we curated our own, vibe in Jamaica, what we had to share with the rest of the world. It's a beautiful place, When you go there, you feel the love, you feel the temperature, you see the waters, you wake up every day and it's a beautiful smile on your face. That's why Bob Marley has a song, Smile in Jamaica.
I just think they were true to themselves, and they was putting that stuff that they felt strongly about and passionate about, and I think it just resonated with the world. And sometimes certain themes are universal, and I think they just tapped into that, and that's what they focus on. And here we are, like many years later, and Jamaica is like one of the most influential places out there. So yeah.
What was it like filming in Jamaica?
Glorious.
Wonderful.
Hot.
Hot.
Very, very hot.
Very hot.
Beautiful though. Jamaican crew.
Yeah.
Jamaican food that we didn't always eat because we were trying.
Yeah.
Jamaica. On.
Yeah, Jamaica was a
preps.
journey, and yeah, filming in Trenchtown I think was one of my favorite weeks.
Yeah.
Because the people came out and spent a bit of time there. Yeah, Jamaica was sick.
And just nice getting Jamaican energy in the film, like rightly so.
Yeah.
Guys, I haven't had my car for like almost 2 weeks now because I'm gonna say this, I can't bother. It got an accident, I don't have energy. So I've been taking like taxis. There's like a special taxi man that like picks me up and takes me exactly where I need to go. Today I went to hairdresser, he was supposed to pick me up and he wasn't answering his phone, and I was like, I wasn't gonna sit there and wait and figure out how long he was gonna take to answer his phone. I walked outside and I hopped in a route taxi. I haven't taken a route taxi since I haven't taken a route taxi in ages, but it was so much fun. Like, real life in Jamaica is so much fun. The way the average person lives, it's so much fun. I was hooked up in the back with like 2 men to my side, and then the whole of the front did hooked up, and everybody that send them 2 bills got the front. It was so much fun. It reminds me of the time that like I begged my parents to let me take the bus, and I ended up in Corville Gardens. I didn't live anywhere near Corville Gardens. That's a whole other story for a whole other time. I get so excited living like regular Jamaicans. Like, when I used to hang out with uptown people, I don't really do that anymore. I used to try so hard to get them out of their bubbles. Like, I remember my best friend of a few years ago, she had never been downtown. I made her come downtown, take a route taxi with me to King Street, walk up and down with some shopping. We went to Bashka. I love real life. Like, people really think that like, oh, I was so sheltered, like I have all this money. No, I was upper middle class at best. My mother was Trini, so she never cared about the classism in Jamaica. She used to take me downtown every single Saturday. We'd go to the wholesale and I would buy big bags of candy and sell them to kids in my community. Like, I know downtown like the back of my hand. I have a parking space on Princess Street where the man knows me. Like, he just knows I'm coming. He has my spot ready for me. I love real life. Like, I appreciate my privilege and I appreciate being sheltered. I think that's why I've tried so hard to distance myself from uptown, because they only think one way. I have friends from uptown that used to literally be like, oh, I would never walk on the street in Jamaica. I would never take the bus. And them they are Canada and foreign them and take the bus. Like, perception that we have as Jamaicans that like we're better than people because we don't live like the average Jamaican. Living like the average Jamaican is so fun. Like, the real life day-to-day experiences, they're fun. They're exciting. They're like real life. And I really enjoyed that taxi ride. Like, I don't know. I've always just wanted to be authentic and like live like a real Jamaican. I'm really gonna do it one day. Like, I'm gonna like fuck this uptown shit. Like, somebody invite me to a scheme for a party or something. I'm ready. Let's go.
When I see Kai at Jamaica, I hope Kai I enjoy Jamaica. You see? You know what I should show you guys, because apparently me going to Jamaica from everything else and everywhere else and choosing to go back to Jamaica was dumb. But this should show you that Jamaica's culture is top tier. When you see how we're small, when you see how our country is small, our culture is top tier. And our culture is also envied because it is so unique. Like, Jamaican culture, it's not a joke, and we play with ourselves. Remember, I tell you, we play with ourselves. See, when I enjoy Jamaica, that's our home. That's our home. And that's how we're born. And we need to appreciate our home more too, because we are that, our home.
Favorite place I've traveled? I love Jamaica. Oh my God, the food in Jamaica? I'm definitely gaining a couple of pounds, but I love to eat.
Berna, look here, over this side, to your right, over here, sir. Yes, over there. You can't come to Jamaica and don't come bless up the people. You have to do this. You can't come to Jamaica and don't bless up with the wedding. On the street, this is the world about Stone Love, the biggest sound on planet Earth. Make him forward. Make him forward. Give him here. When I move on, give him here.
So right now what we're doing is vibing like we're in our living room, you understand? This is Stone Love. Rhythm!
Yo, Kai, Cena. Yo, what, bro? What going you? What you dealing? Me I deal with nothing, you know. What you deal with that?
You know, good? So out here.
Bomba class, free world boss, you know.
Free world boss.
Real world boss.
Fully guys.
Where the cat to them? Where the cat to them?
Be a girl over there.
So let's go over there to my youth.
Thank y'all for having me back. I appreciate y'all. What's up, family? You good? All right?
Jamaica, I'm here, man. I'm excited.
Thank y'all for having me back. I appreciate y'all. What's up, family? You good? All right?
On is Jake Paul out here in downtown Toronto chilling. But listen to me, Jamaica. Best country to ever do it, me brethren. Nothing compared. The vibe, the people, the food, pure greatness. Anywhere I step, I carry the island.
Jamaica isn't just a destination. It's an experience. The island's beauty is breathtaking. From the turquoise waters of Montego Bay to the cliffs of Negril, to the hidden waterfalls deep in the Blue Mountains, it's a paradise that feels both wild and luxurious. Celebrities crave privacy, and Jamaica gives them that. Hidden villas, private resorts, and exclusive beaches where the world's biggest names can disappear for a while. That's why stars like Rihanna, Drake, Justin Bieber, Beyoncé and Jay-Z have all escaped here to recharge. They are not just coming for the beaches. They are coming for the peace. But beauty alone isn't what pulls people to Jamaica. It's energy. The island vibrates with a rhythm that can't be copied. Reggae, music, patois, laughter, flavor and freedom. Everywhere you go, you feel it. The heartbeat of the people. Jamaica's culture is powerful. It's not just about luxury. It's about authenticity. It's where Bob Marley's music was born. Where the world learned the meaning of one love. Where every dance step, every melody, every plate of jerk chicken tells a story. That realness in the world, who have everything money can buy, come to Jamaica to feel real again. Let's talk about who has been there, because the list is endless. Usain Bolt, Jamaica's own legend, turned his Trelawayne home into a global symbol of pride. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle have visited. Drake filmed music videos here. Rihanna has been spotted in Montego Bay and Port Antonio, relaxing and vibing with locals. And even Hollywood stars like Tom Cruise, Gal Gadot, and Will Smith have come to up the island's energy. Every visit brings attention, boosting tourism and inspiring millions to see Jamaica for themselves. But here is the secret. When stars come here, they are not just visiting, they are connecting. They dance, they eat, they laugh, and they blend in. Jamaica doesn't treat them like celebrity. Jamaica treats them like family. Beyond the music and the beaches, Jamaica offers world-class luxury. The kind that rivals anywhere in the world. Exclusive resorts like Golden Eye, where Ian Fleming wrote the James Bond novels, the Tyrol Club, Round Hill Hotel, and Gijam, where stars come to record music and relax. These places combine 5-star services with authentic island charm, giving celebrities the best of both worlds. But even then, Jamaica never loses its roots. It's not about showing off. It's about feeling good, being free, and connecting with nature. That's something no other destination can copy. Every time a global star steps foot in Jamaica, it's not just a vacation. It's a message to the world that Jamaica is more than an island. It's a brand, a culture, and a movement. From reggae to Rastafari, from Blue Mountain Coffee to Jack Spice, everything Jamaica produces carries a global identity. Celebrities want to be part of that story. It's not just about palm trees. It's about belonging to something bigger. When the world sees Beyoncé or Drake in Jamaica, it's a reminder the island's influence is unstoppable. Its vibe unmatched. Its culture unforgettable. So why can't the world's biggest star stop visiting Jamaica? Because no matter how far they travel, no matter how rich or famous they become, Jamaica reminds them what it means to feel alive. It's freedom, it's rhythm, it's love, it's Jamaica. Thank you for watching. If you felt the Jamaican vibes today, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling us which celebrity you would love to visit Jamaica next. Because one thing is for sure, once you visit Jamaica, you never truly leave.